Welcome you students. In this video we will discuss about memory management organization from the subject computer organization and architecture for the students from second BSc computer science and application. This video will help you to how to prepare for the examination in the 2-mark point of view. First 2-mark is define cache memory. The small and fast memory that is inserted between the larger, slower main memory and the processor is called a cache memory. The cache memory is very fastest memory because it is placed nearest to the CPU. In this cache memory, all the recent instructions and data is stored. So, it is very fastest memory. In the memory hierarchy, the cache memory is placed in between the main memory and the processor. So, the cache memory is very fastest memory. It holds a currently active segments of a program and their data. So, what are the instructions are frequently executed and the instructions recently executed are stored in the cache memory. So, the currently active segments means what are the recently executed instructions are there in a computer, that instructions are stored in the cache memory. For example, and in previous video we will discuss about the registers which are placed inside the processor. Comparing to cache memory, the registers are the fastest memory because the cache memory is nearest to the processor but the registers are placed in the processor. So comparing to cache memory, registers are the fastest memory. What are the files and programs that are opened in a computer is stored in a main memory. What are the instructions or data is opened in a computer is stored in a main memory. What are the programs want to executed or sent to the cache memory. So, the recently the executor instructions or what are the instructions want to be executed are stored in the cache memory. It is used to increase the execution speed because it is placed with nearest to the processor. So, it is used to increase the processing speed of the program. Next question is, what is mean by virtual memory? Why it is used? A virtual memory is a memory in which data are stored in physical memory locations that have addresses different from those specified by a program. The virtual means the name itself it denotes something which appear to be present but actually it is not. Virtual means it is an illusion. It will be we thought it is appeared but really it is not appeared. That is that kind of memory is virtual memory. For example, virtual memory allows user to use more memory for a program than a real memory. The real memory is nothing but a physical memory or main memory or primary memory. Virtual memory is used to used a programmer to use maximum memory or the what are the memory requirement is needed for the user, that memory is provided by the virtual memory. For example, the primary memory capacity is 4 GB means the virtual memory will be 16 GB. That is not real. The 16 GB virtual memory is not real, but we thought that it gives the virtual memory concept, it gives an illusion to the users that we have main memory equal to the capacity of secondary storage. That is, the main memory is high equal to the secondary memory. Like that, it gives an illusion. That is the virtual memory concept. Virtual memory is used to increase the apparent size of physical memory. Actually, physical memory is 4 GB means that is the real memory, but it gives an illusion. It has 16 GB virtual memory that is equivalent to secondary storage, equivalent to the capacity of secondary storage. That is called virtual memory, and it is used to increase the capacity of the main memory. Third one is what is mean by virtual or logical address. Virtual address means it is also called as logical address. The logical address, the address which is generated by the processor or CPU is called as virtual address or logical address. It is also the illusion address. That is, the CPU will generate the address. That type of address is called virtual address. It is also referred as logical address. It is referred the logical address is different from the physical address. The logical address is generated by the processor and accessed by the processor, and the physical address is seen by the memory unit. The memory unit is generates a physical address. Fourth to mark is what is a memory management unit. MMU stands for memory management unit. It is used for implementing the mapping function. That is, it is used for transforming the logical address into physical address. The mapping function is nothing but a transform block of data from main memory to cache memory. Here three types of mapping functions are available in organization. First one is direct mapping, second one is associative mapping, third one is block set associative mapping. Why this memory mapping function is used for means which is used to translate the virtual address into physical address. That is, the CPU generated address to the memory unit. That purpose only we are using memory management unit. Fifth one is what is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. The read only memory is a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory means it is a memory that can retrieve stored information even after the power is lost. That is, the power loss occur means that time also we can retrieve the stored information. That kind of memory is called non-volatile memory, whose normal operation involves only reading of data. The name itself denotes read-only memory. That is, the reading operation is eligible for this type of read-only memory. The read-only memory which allows the read the data from the storage device. What are the non-volatile memory storage devices there means, for example, floppy disk, hard drive, flash drive, SD card. Volatile memory means it needs a permanent power to retrieve the data from the storage. Non-volatile means it need not require the permanent memory to retrieve the information from the storage. And the straightforward volatile means it needs a permanent power supply to retrieve the data from your storage device.